16 cylinders, open top, solar gold yellow, and a name that has represented American luxury since 1953. The Cadillac Eldorado V16 is back, and it has never looked like this before. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Launch Rev USA. Today we have something truly special parked right here in front of a Beverly Hills mansion, the Cadillac Eldorado V16 in solar gold yellow. Cadillac took one of the most legendary nameplates in American automotive history and brought it back as an open-top V16 roadster that is absolutely breathtaking from every angle. This is America at its most dramatic, most luxurious, and most powerful. Let's get into every single detail. Let's start outside, because this Eldorado V16 is one of the most visually stunning cars I have ever stood next to. Solar gold yellow. That is the name Cadillac gave this color. And in person, it is unlike anything in the automotive world right now. It is not just yellow, it is warm, deep, and luminous. In sunlight, it glows like liquid gold. Under evening lights, it deepens into something almost amber. Every surface of this open-top roadster catches that color differently. And the result is a car that looks alive from every angle. Look at that front face. A wide, bold grille with the Cadillac crest badge centered, framed by sharp, angular LED headlights that sweep back dramatically into those long front fenders. The hood is long, flat, and sculpted, giving you an immediate sense of what is living underneath it. This is a car that wears its power visually. The body is a pure two-seat open-top roadster. No roof, no soft top, just open sky above you and the road ahead. The windscreen is low and raked, the body sides are smooth and flowing, and those muscular rear haunches, wide, planted, and confident, frame those large, dark, multi-spoke alloy wheels perfectly. At the rear, Eldorado script in chrome sits across the tailgate in elegant italics. Angular LED taillights glow red on each side, framing the Cadillac crest badge centered above them. Below, a carbon fiber rear diffuser with dual exhaust outlets finishing this car with a performance edge that matches the drama of everything else. The 2027 Cadillac Eldorado V16 is not just a beautiful car, it is the most beautiful American car ever built. Now, the engine. And with a name like V16, you already know this is going to be extraordinary. Under that long gold hood sits a 6.3-liter twin turbocharged V16 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower, 16 cylinders, twin turbos, 1,000 horsepower, in an open-top two-seat roadster that weighs under 4,000 pounds. The V16 configuration produces power in a way that no V8 or V12 can replicate. It is impossibly smooth. It revs with absolute freedom, and the sound it produces from idle all the way to its 9,000 RPM redline is genuinely one of the greatest sounds ever created by a production automobile. 0 to 60 miles per hour? Under 3 seconds. Top speed? Over 200 miles per hour. These are hypercar numbers, delivered by an American roadster wearing a name that is over 70 years old. The power goes to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and the launch is violent, immediate, and completely addictive. The rear-wheel drive setup means the Eldorado V16 will rotate, slide, and drift on command when you push it. And it rewards a skilled driver with an engagement level that no electronic all-wheel drive system can replicate. Adaptive magnetic suspension reads the road 1,000 times per second, adjusting each corner individually to keep this low, wide roadster planted and composed at every speed. In comfort mode, it is surprisingly manageable and smooth. In sport mode, it tightens and sharpens into something genuinely aggressive. And in track mode, this car becomes a completely different beast. The exhaust note from those twin outlets at full throttle, 16 cylinders firing through a performance exhaust system, is a sound that you will remember for the rest of your life. Step inside the Cadillac Eldorado V16, and this interior is extraordinary. Cognac brown and cream. Napa leather covers every surface you can see. The seats, the door panels, the dashboard, and the center console all finished in this warm, rich two-tone combination. The contrast stitching is precise throughout, and the quality of every material is genuinely world-class. This is not just a fast car, this is a luxurious one. That dashboard is dominated by a full-width panoramic display that stretches almost edge to edge across the cabin, combining the digital instrument cluster on the left with a large central infotainment screen and a passenger display on the right. The interface shows navigation, vehicle data, performance information, and media all in one seamless, beautifully designed display. The steering wheel is wrapped in cognac leather with the Cadillac crest badge centered, flat-bottomed and perfectly sized. The drive mode controls, media buttons, and paddle shifters are all positioned exactly where your hands naturally fall. That gear selector sits on a raised center console surrounded by drive mode controls, suspension settings, and exhaust sound controls. The center console itself is finished in a combination of leather and brushed aluminum, clean, purposeful, and beautifully executed. And because this is an open-top car, the entire sensory experience of driving the Eldorado V16 is on a completely different level from any closed car. You smell the air, you feel the temperature change, you hear the V16 with nothing between you and those 16 cylinders. Every sense is engaged simultaneously. If you are new to Launch Rev USA and this is your first video, subscribe right now. Every single day we bring you cars exactly like this one. America's greatest, the world's most extraordinary, reviewed completely and honestly. Hit that button and join the family. Technology includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium AKG Cadillac surround sound system, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and Super Cruise, Cadillac's hands-free highway driving system, now available even in this open-air roadster. The Cadillac Eldorado V16 starts at $350,000, positioning it directly against the Lamborghini Aventador, the Ferrari 812, and the Aston Martin DBS. And at that price, the Eldorado V16 beats every single one of them on exclusivity, on drama, and on the sheer experience of that V16 engine. Production is extremely limited. Cadillac is hand-building each Eldorado V16 in small numbers at their facility in Detroit. Every car is built to order, and the wait list is already growing rapidly. For $350,000, you get 1,000 horsepower, 16 cylinders, solar gold yellow paint, cognac leather, an open-top roadster body, and the Eldorado name, one of the most legendary in all of American automotive history. Every penny is justified. The Cadillac Eldorado V16, solar gold yellow, open-top roadster, 6.3-liter twin-turbo V16, 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, 200 miles per hour, cognac brown and cream leather, full-width panoramic display, rear-wheel drive, Cadillac Super Cruise, $350,000. Cadillac did not just bring back the Eldorado, they brought it back as the most powerful, most dramatic, and most extraordinary American car ever built. The legend is back, and it has never been better. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button right now and subscribe to Launch Rev USA for daily reviews of the world's most incredible cars. Drop a comment below. Cadillac Eldorado V16 or Lamborghini Aventador? Which one takes the crown? I want every single opinion. I will catch you in the very next one.